Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to configure your Twilio number. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Twilio console. This is the main dashboard where you manage and configure numbers and services. Once logged in, go to the Phone Numbers section by selecting Manage and then Active Numbers. From the list, choose the specific number you want to configure. Now, let's set up your number for voice calls. In the phone number settings, go to the Voice and Fax section. Under A Call Comes In, you can select how to handle calls. If you choose a webhook, enter an external HTTPS URL and pick either POST or GET as the request method. To track calls, you can add a status callback URL that updates you when calls end or change status. Next, configure messaging. In the same settings pane, find the Messaging section. Under A Message Comes In, you can also use a webhook, function, or another Twilio service. Enter your chosen URL or resource, then save your configuration. So that's basically how you can configure your Twilio number. That's it for this video. Thanks.